This video, we're looking at the problem on page 10 of the chapter 1, section 4 slides. The management of Thermomaster, which manufactures an indoor-outdoor thermostat at its Mexico subsidiary, has determined that the demand equation for its product is 5x plus 3p minus 30 equals 0, where p is the price of a thermometer in dollars and x is the quantity demanded in units of 1,000. The supply equation for these thermometers is, should be thermostats, but whatever, not a big deal, 52x minus 30p plus 45 equals 0, where x is measured in thousands and is the quantity that Thermomaster will make available in the market at p dollars each. Find the equilibrium quantity and price. All right, so let's take a look at this one. Here I've got the demand and the supply equations. And what we want to do now is to get a single equation that we can solve for one variable or the other. This is a process called solving linear equations. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my demand equation, I'm going to multiply everything by 10. That's going to give me an equivalent equation, 50x plus 30p minus 300 equals 0. Now, if I take that and I add my supply equation, that gives me 50x minus 30p plus 45 equals 0. That means that I've got, that should have been 52x there, not 50. There we go. I can get rid of my p's entirely, and I've got 102x minus 300 minus 45 is 255 equals 0. Well, that means 102x equals 255. And then I can think about factors here. Well, this is 51 times 2 times x. And this is 51 times 50. No, 51 times 5, I'm sorry. So if I divide both sides by 51, I get 2x equals 5. So x equals 5 halves. Then I can plug this back into either of my equations. Let's say we take this one's simpler. We'll use that one. So 5 times 5 halves plus 3p minus 30 equals 0. Well, 5 halves, that's 12.5. Okay, so I am going to take this 12.5 and this 30 and move them over to the other side by subtracting them both. That gives me 3p equals 30 minus 12.5, and 30 minus 12.5 is 17.5. Now I need to divide that by 3. P equals P equals 17.5 over 3, which is going to be, I'm going to plug this into a calculator. Usually the best way to handle these things. That's 5.833 repeating. Well, that tells us that the, what are we actually looking for here? We are looking for the equilibrium quantity and price. Well, the equilibrium quantity and price is 2.5. For a price of $5.83, but we probably want to double those. Well, we don't need to double it. That's pretty much what we've got here. If we can sell 2.5 at a price of $5.83, then let's see. Oh, right, and that's 2,500. As our problem stated, sorry, 25,000 at $5.83. So there we go. If we sell 25,000 at $5.83 each, everybody's happy, or as close to happy as they can get. If you have any questions, let me know.